Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Many of us love to cook, but when it comes to doing the dishes, it really feels overwhelmed, especially when we are tired and having a busy day. Having a clean kitchen and having a clean sink is many of our dream. So friends, in my today's video, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite kitchen gadget, which is dishwasher. I'm going to share whether it is fit for Indian kitchen. Please watch till the end. First good point about this dishwasher is this comes with very simple settings. You can see four options: mini, quick and shine, eco and intensive. Mini is mainly used when you don't have much soiled plates and dishes. Quick and shine is when you want to do it within 1 hour of time. This side we have eco and intensive options. Eco is energy efficient, intensive is something like when you have highly soiled plates and dishes. It also has half load, time delay and start options. We don't go for half load anytime, so it's always full load, and also don't go for time delays. So friends, let's open the Beko dishwasher and see how it looks like. So just by pulling this one you can open the dishwasher. Here you can see two racks. So here you can see there is a place to put tablet or rinse aid. Either you can go for all-in-one tablets, or you can also go for salt and rinse aid. Each wash needs one tablet, so we got this MNS all-in-one dishwasher tablets. So you will get either Finish or any normal brand tablets. This is how the tablet looks like. It's small in size. I'm going to put this in tablet holder and close it gently. When the washing is done, it automatically opens up. You need not to do anything. The other slot is for rinse aid. This is how inside the dishwasher looks like. So below each rack we have this fan. Dish racks are movable, so you can easily slide. You can also see small wheels down. So let me just pull it and show it to you. So here you can see it's easily movable. Similarly, upside rack is also movable. In the upper rack you can see these two small cutlery holders. So it's basically for holding the cups. It can easily bend it forward, or you can fold it back. The other thing we have in this dishwasher is another cutlery holder. Depth of this cutlery holder is good. You can use it for any number of spoons, also like bigger spoons as well. So both the ways, this upper side is removable or like foldable, so you can also place the bigger spoons here. Part of the bottom layer can be foldable, so here we usually put all our curry pan and pots, so it's easily washable and we have sufficient space as well. In this dishwasher I'm going to place few of my utensil and show you to you the final results. So this is the big curry pan I used for making normal curry. This pan is pretty big, still I am able to place it comfortably. The next thing I am going to place is this tea pan. So when we make this tea, it has a layer of grease, also very much scrubbing is needed. Let's see how it works in this Beko dishwasher. So the tip for using dishwasher is do not overcrowd the racks, because it may not clean as properly as it is intended. So the next item I'm placing is another bowl, which is used for boiling some milk or something. So this is also I'm going to place it in one side. Next comes the plates. So I have this steel as well as ceramic plates, which we usually use for our dinner and lunch. So there is like a specific place to place this item, so I'm going to place it in the right direction. Please note that I didn't rinse any of these plates. I'm just placing the plates as it is, just by scraping the base. I also have other items like bowls and other cutleries, so I'm going to place it in the upper rack. So the first one is all these spoons. There is also a cutlery holder which I showed earlier, but I'm going to place it in the upper rack because I don't need that much of space. So the next item I'm going to place is all this soiled glass. I'm also going to place all my tea and other cups. From morning to evening, usually we will be having 3 to 4 glasses, 2 to 3 bowls, and mostly we will be having 1 or 2 curry pots and 1 tea pan and few plates. I can see all these items are sitting comfortably without overcrowding. So friends, let's put all these things and see how the result looks like. I'm also placing wooden cutting board which usually has the grease from tomatoes and cut onions. So usually it takes me at least 15 minutes to wash all these dishes. So I fully loaded this machine. Let's run this machine. Once the main switch is on, the final steps are making some changes to the setting. So either I go for quick and shine, which takes usually 1 hour, or eco when I am not in hurry. So let me select the setting as eco and press the start button here. So friends, it's the time for truth. This is the greased old bowl which is shining. Again, this one is used for raita. You can see it is again shining. I'm actually very much interested in seeing the fry pan because every day I use this heavy bottomed pan for making curries. So I'm happy with the end result. You can see this curry pan is totally cleaned and fresh. One of the other most used item in Indian kitchen is this cooker, steel cooker. I used it for making dahi kadhi. So other day I placed this item inside the dishwasher rack. Let's see the end result for this as well. When I do stir fries, or sometimes the fried rice and the other items are sticky at the bottom, so I'm also going to place this one and show you the end result. So let me tell you guys, so all these items I usually used for many years, and this is already like very old item, so it is not as shiny as it used to be. However, you can see all these ones are greasy when I used for boiling the milk or making the tea. This one was the one exactly I used for making the tea, and which was very greasy, and which usually takes me at least 5 minutes to scrub it and scrape off all the extra waste. End result for this cooker also very good. So this is fully cleaned as expected. So this one is fully greased stir fry pan. You can see this is also shiny. I also placed all size and shapes of these spoons. You can see all these spoons are also very shiny. So these glasses, I cannot tell you how much clean it is. So this dishwasher really does this job. It saves lot of time and energy. Also it helps me to keep my kitchen clean. You can see all these plates and other dishes are also cleaned more than actually what I used to clean. So lastly, few words from my side. So this dishwasher comes with a price. So every time when you wash the dishes, you also need to put a tablet which comes with a some specific cost. Also, you cannot overcrowd these racks because it may not clean properly. So that's all for today, friends. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.